What's up, guys? Trying another gas station cigar. Today we're going to be trying the Dutch Masters Sweet Green. This was $1.89 for 3 cigars. So it's pretty darn cheap. This says Sweet Green, Natural Candela Leaf Wrapper. Fresh lock bag, as they all pretty much have, is this little Ziploc bag, so you can obviously smoke one and save the other for later. Dutch Master since 1912. Master blenders have been crafting our cigars with the finest tobaccos to deliver an unequaled smooth taste. I wish, like, obviously they're selling a product, so they're going to talk it up a little bit. If I had I don't know, a company that sold gas station cigars, I wouldn't advertise them as cigars. I mean, call it what it is, you know, put a big pot leaf on the front, show a big blunt on the back, you know, and that'll sell. But whatever. I'm sure there are people out there that just buy these and smoke them as is. They don't have interest in spending a lot of money on cigars, but you really are missing out. If you've only smoked cigars like this style, this just cheap gas station multi-pack little resealable thing, because they all seem to be kind of on par with each other, try a cigar from a different company. Try an actual cigar. You know, there's still a lot of cheap cigars out there. You get cigars for $1 a piece or 50 cents a piece. A lot of times you get factory seconds. And anyway, that is nor here or there. So, Surgeon General warning says cigars are not a safe alternative to cigarettes. That is true. All smoking is bad for you, one way or another. Made in the Dominican Republic. So let's break into this. See what we got. Sweet Green. All right. It smells kind of like vanilla. There's something else going on there too. So there's 3 cigars in there. This has the green tobacco leaf wrapper. And this does look to be like a genuine, tobacco leaf, which is nice as opposed to paper, because a lot of these different companies are using rolling papers that are dyed brown, and you think it's a cigar, but it's not. It's just a big cigarette. Anyway, yeah, it just kind of smells sweet. I'm not sure if there's a sweetener on here or not. Alright, there's definitely a sweetener. I could taste it on the wrapper. Seems pretty pleasant. So I got my green matches to smoke my green cigar. Let's see what this is all about. Alright, here we go. Oh, not a good start. That tasted horrible. This is, wow. All right, this tastes much more like a cigarette than a cigar, for sure. I was impressed with the actual cigar leaf, or tobacco leaf wrapper. I mean, that was cigar-like, but it is not starting very well. This has a denser pack than a lot of the other ones I've had thus far. Plenty of smoke output. That's not good. That is not good. Yeah, there's definitely sweetener on the wrapper. There's probably not sweetener on the tobacco inside because it's already fading. That sweetness is fading. Sweet Green, my cheeks. Now, when I first saw this, the leaf. And if you don't read, which a lot of times we buy things visually, sometimes you don't read stuff. You just see a picture and you make an assumption. My first, sight on this thing, I thought that was a spearmint leaf or something. So that was a wrong assumption. Thought maybe it'd be spearmint or peppermint or something. Which is can't even talk. Which it definitely is not. Very mild in the strength of tobacco, but Honestly, not good. Now, if the camera wasn't here and I was just curious and wanted to try these, right now I'd put it out. Seriously, I mean, it's not much of a waste of money. It's just I'd be like, nope, not enjoying it. It's done. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna smoke it all the way down. The burn's perfect. Just like a cigarette. No surprise there. Oh, there's no filter on this. Not liking it though, I'll tell you that. It's not pleasant. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna suffer through this. Hopefully something changes. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But when I get down to the end, I'll let you know what I thought. See you soon. Hopefully sooner than later. I can't do it. I can't finish it. It's been 14 minutes, so this has lasted the longest. There's probably another couple minutes on this, but I'm done. I can't. This is it's pretty gross. It actually got worse as I went. Started tasting like an ashtray a couple minutes ago. It's not really hot yet, you know, so you can still smoke it, but I'm definitely done. That is by far the worst one I've had yet. And of course, with my luck, it lasted the longest. It just wasn't good. The sweetness died off like pretty early in the smoke too, which is interesting because it's touted as being sweet, right? It's right in the title, sweet green. So you're like, sweet, it's gonna be sweet. Not so much. It's just, I don't know, the tobacco flavor is just really cigarette-esque. I'm not a cigarette smoker, so it just does not appeal to me whatsoever. If you do smoke cigarettes consistently and you're looking to change to something else, I don't know if this has less chemicals than a cigarette, probably, but I don't know how far off it would be. This you would enjoy. If you're a cigarette smoker, you'd smoke this no problem. You'd be like, oh, okay, something different. Definitely not for a cigar enthusiast. I would definitely stay away from them. Like, I wouldn't recommend any of the gas station cigars I've tried yet. They're all pretty offensive, some less than others, but this is the worst by far. I don't know. I might try. I don't remember if I got another flavor of Dutch Masters, but the sweet green is just not good. It's really, really not good. So that is it. That's my opinions. If you smoke this on a regular basis and you love it and you think I'm an idiot, by all means, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that's worst of the bunch so far. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.